Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about purpose clauses. But don't cry, it isn't as difficult as it seems. I know that there are several ways to express purpose, so let's get straight into it. We can use to plus infinitive, in order to plus infinitive, so as to plus infinitive, so that plus a clause, that means a sentence, for plus a noun, and in case plus a clause. We can use in order to plus infinitive, and this is a very common in formal English, mainly in writing forms. We can also use so as to plus infinitive. Here we have got some examples. I went to the supermarket in order to buy some bread, or I study hard so as to pass my exams. To plus infinitive is the most common way to express purpose in English. The students work hard to pass the test. As you can see, all these structures can be in negative to express a negative purpose. In order not to, so as not to, not to. Here we have some examples. I didn't make any noise so as not to wake up the children. I didn't make any noise in order not to wake up the children. And we can also use this structure. Don't get too upset. It's not so difficult. So that plus clause. It means that we need to use a subject and a verb after the use of so that. Normally the verb we use after the subject is a modal verb. Here we have some less sentences. We left earlier so that we could park near the center. Or I prepared this PowerPoint so that it would be easier for my students to remember the grammar. We can also use this structure in order for somebody to do something. For example, I bought apples in order for my mother to do a cake. And this one is very easy. We can use for plus a noun to express purpose. As you can see here in this example, I went to the bar for a drink. And here we've got a structure that can cause confusion, and I have heard many times use it in a wrong way. When we use for plus a gerund, we want to talk about the function of something or how something is used. As you can see, the verb use can be there or can be implied in the meaning. The knife is for cutting bread. The knife is used for cutting bread. We also use it to express the reason for something. Schools are for educating. However, we cannot use it when we want to express the purpose of something. So I cannot say I went out for buying. If I want to say this, I have to say I went out to buy. This is the purpose of something. It's not so difficult, isn't it? Hey, don't fall asleep. We haven't finished yet. To express purpose, we also can use in case plus a subject plus a verb. We use this form to talk about precautions when we do something because something not wanted might happen. We could use in a present or in a past situation. When we use in case plus clause in present, is because we want to express something that may happen in a present situation or in a future moment. For instance, take your heart in case it gets too hot. We are talking that we are doing something here in the present so that something in the future may happen. In the same way, we can use in case plus a clause in past when we want to express something that could have happened in the past or we did because something could have happened in the past. We took an umbrella in case it rained. And with all these structures to express purpose, we have finished. So that's all for now. And don't laugh because now is your turn to practice it.